In the previous video, we looked at why cloud native and some of the benefits for deploying your applications or building your applications using cloud native methodologies. So why is observability important for cloud native applications? Due to the nature of cloud native applications, as discussed earlier, they do introduce a level of complexity that traditional monitoring tools struggle to handle. And some of these key reasons are as follows. The first is deep insights. So with observability, you can easily understand the inner workings of complex systems, from user requests to the performance of individual services. Remember, one of the core features that qualifies applications as cloud native is often microservice architecture. So this means you have multiple complex systems running. So with observability, you're going to have deep insights into the performance of each of these individual services. Next is rapid troubleshooting. With observability, teams can quickly identify and diagnose issues, thus reducing the mean time to resolution for crucial issues in cloud-native environments, because issues can arise from different components. And then you have proactive problem solving. So with observability, teams can detect anomalies and performance degradation before they actually impact users. And that's the whole point of observability. You can understand your system and you don't have to wait for users to start reporting issues. So that way you can be proactive and actually resolve potential issues before they become an issues for your users. And then next you have optimized performance. So by understanding how the different components of your system interacts with each other, your team can better optimize for efficiency, thus ensuring a very smooth user experience. And then confidence and scaling. As cloud-native applications scale, observability ensures your team can have full visibility into the system's behavior under different workloads. So this way you can ensure that scaling decisions are very informed and effective because you have insights into how the system performs based on specific workloads. That way you can better make decisions regarding scaling, whether to scale up and to scale down as needed. The next is collaboration and communication. So because observability breaks down silos between the various teams, from the dev team to the operations team, and to other teams as well, because you have a shared view of how the system is performing. So you don't have a case where a development team is saying, oh, the application is performing well, and then the ops team is saying, no, the application is not performing well, and product is saying, oh, this is an issue. But you have this shared synchronous view that's shared across the multiple teams, and that way you all have the same view and can understand the system much better. And so that also aids collaboration between the teams much more effectively. And then finally, you have compliance and regulation. Strictly regulated environments often require audit trails and so many other compliance requirements that may arise from regulated environments. So observability helps you provide the necessary audit trails and data to ensure that compliance is met in strictly regulated environments. So this could be banks or some other high financial institutions. With observability, you already have this data and can provide it at the time it is needed. So in conclusion, observability isn't just a luxury for cloud-native applications, but it's a necessity, because of the nature in which cloud-native applications are designed and operate. As these applications continue to grow in complexity, the need for deep, actionable insights becomes very paramount, because observability ensures that teams can navigate complexity much more confidently. It also ensures that much more reliably and performant updates can be made, and as a result, you have a successful cloud-native application.